So this morning I woke up and I was craving of egg roll. Yeah, but because I'm on a weight loss journey, I just want to go for something healthy. So basically, I'm just gonna try this. I've not done it before. This is actually my first time. Okay, let's see what will come out of it. You know, I'm gonna try this Almond. Here is 150 grams. So I'm using both of them. That's 300 grams. Let's see the outcome. Okay, I wanted to use oats, but let me just try this today. If it comes out nice, my next one will be with oats. Okay, I pray it comes out nice. 1 egg in there. Okay, then a little bit of evaporated milk. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Let's mix. So basically I will add more milk in it, a little bit. So that's what I'll be doing. I don't want to like measure it out because I will go based on as it takes, because I don't want it to be watery, as you can see. Wash my hands and mix properly to get to the consistency that I want. So this is the egg ready now. So basically, if you notice, I didn't put salt or sugar in this. You can put salt and like honey if you want it. It depends on what you want, but basically this is how I want it. It may not taste that nice, but I like it like that. Okay, so let's put our egg in there. Yeah, so I'll do these ones off camera and I'll show you guys before I bake it. I'm not actually frying it though, I'm gonna be baking it. So it's ready. This is 3 of it. Okay, try to mold it properly, push it properly in to be able to stick. I don't know the outcome of this, but we'll find out. There's nothing inside here, there's no egg in this one. So I'm gonna bake it and then tell you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, see, it's ready. Not looking bad though. See the outcome. I baked it. See, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. So this is actually healthy. That's so yummy. If you want it, you can add honey to yours, sugar or salt. But I didn't add any of that because I'm still gonna use tea to eat it, so there's no need for all those stuff. It's delicious, okay, and this is very, very healthy. So I don't need to use flour to make my egg roll. Next one is gonna be, I'm gonna be doing it again with oats. So I've shared it with my husband. Go make yours. It's nice, tastes good. With tea, it's very delicious. Thanks for watching and bye.